Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and build update number 2 for our Ford 29 Model A Roadster. A lot got done in the past couple of days. Let me move Duke and Lee out of the way. TJ and Chandler just got done pushing the body out of the spray booth. It's still wet, so I don't want to handle it too much, but I did want to show it off. This is Tamiya's X1 out of the bottle. I mixed it 2 parts of paint to 1 part thinner and 6 drops of retarder on there. And honest to gosh, this is the best I've ever sprayed a gloss. I am super jazzed with this. But right now, let's get it out the way because we got a bunch to cover here. The interior has the black on it right now. And like I said, we're going to go with antique white for ivory white. I'm sorry. For the rest of it, I think that's going to look really good. I did the underside of the pan in flat aluminum. This is sprayed. Again, 2 to 1 with, I didn't use a whole lot, so there's only 3 drops of retarder in that. And man, did it lay down smooth. What do you think? Frame, also black. All the bits and parts. The rims, got a gloss coat of black while I was doing everything else. And then the firewall is going to be flat aluminum. I think that's going to really pop with all the black around there. The engine, let me grab it. Got a coat of gloss black yesterday, and then just maybe 5 minutes ago, got the coat of aluminum on the transmission. And I'm telling you, that laid down, that's brushed on, and that went down nice and smooth. We're going with the black on the engine to match the body and everything, and just kind of keep it all going the same way. I showed you that I used panel liner on all the rib parts, and then I painted a Fram oil filter on there. Good to go. The blower is partially assembled. Bring it up to you. It needs a flat coat because that's still a little too bright, but I wanted to flat coat it after I put the panel liner on there. Along with all these will all get a little bit a flat coat on them too, just to dull out that chrome a little bit. We went with the belt, the blower belt I painted, and then I put the lines on it. I still have to come down this way with the rubber black to square that off a little bit nicer, but that's supposed to be the printed on lines that are on the belt. Same with this one. I put a little printed on line, semi-gloss black for the pulleys, and then rubber black for the belt, and then aluminum, flat aluminum for the alternator pulley. Now here's one I was having fun with. I don't know why, but I really like doing the starters. I used titanium gold on the top, and I don't think I'm going to ever mix the chrome and the aluminum, or the gold and the aluminum again, because that titanium gold of Tamiya's is just the right color for that. I even did the cap on the back for the bearing. And then the body is flat aluminum and the semi-gloss black that I always do on the starters. With that, I'll show you one of the carbs. So far, I did the Tamiya's gold, or the titanium gold on the bowls, and then aluminum on the rest of it. Drilled my 2 holes out for the fuel lines, and on the other one, I got a single hole drilled out. See the 2 holes here. On the other one, I have those 2 holes, and then a single one for the vacuum line. And then I have a hole on this side on this one too. That'll be for the linkage. And I think Now that we're going over this, I want to look again. And I sure enough did. I forgot. No, that hole's there. You just can't see it. That's for the linkage on this side. The paint kind of goobered it up a little bit. Wanted to say something about the hoses. They have the clamps already molded on them. And what I did is I went around the clamp first with flat aluminum and then came up to the clamp on both sides of it with the rubber black. And man, I'm telling you, that looks pretty darn convincing there. I am happy with that. So like I said, we got a ton done, but I just showed it all to you. So I will let you go. This is a quick update. We're at 5 minutes, just 6 minutes into it. And I want to thank everybody for the thumbs up, the subscriptions, and all the great comments. I'll let you go. Y'all have a great day.